Good morning. I thought I'd try something different today. I thought I'd show you how roses are being produced. This is a field full of marigolds. They grow the marigolds because there's chemicals in the root that kill all the pathogens and the insects that lived in there. So it's really good for wildlife and for insects. Then the roses, this is a scion wood, this is the bud wood, where they take the buds from of the variety that they want to produce. Then they do a thing called tea budding, where they actually put the bud under the bark, like that, and then tack it. See you do it again? So cut, that's the tea bud, shove the bud underneath and cut it off. Look at that, that's skill work. Then they put a patch over the actual bud so that the disease can't get in and it holds the bud in place. And then they leave them all winter to let them establish. The following spring they go along with a tractor. There's a pole that pushes the plant over so that you can see the bud that was grafted last year. The workers then go along and they cut the top off the seedling variety that was growing, or the mother plant, and just leave the bud that they put in from the variety that they want to grow. So this is how roses are grown and propagated. I just thought you'd be very interested in that. Interesting fact.